Video calls are such a valuable resource for the 21st century family. In a world where everyone is on the go and where most families are split up between long distances, it's hard to stay connected. Even though we live in a digital age where there are countless resources to help fill the gaps between distance relationships, we still have plenty of loved ones who can't get plugged in. Whether they are too intimidated to use the technology because they don't have the confidence or because they simply haven't learned. It's common for most families to have some members not be as technically proficient as others, and that's okay. In this video, we will show you how to use Facebook Messenger video calling. Now, you may already be familiar with and use Facebook, but might not be aware of the ability to make a video call. In this video, we will be discussing how to use Facebook Messenger calling across platforms such as your PC, iPhone, and Android devices. For PC, go to the Facebook Messenger website. This is the Facebook Messenger website. To the left, you can find you and your friends' recent conversations. In the search bar above this list, you can type specific names to simplify your search. Once you have selected who you want to contact, you can locate in the top right corner of the screen the phone and video icons. Upon selecting Video Call, a new window will open up and will ask you to allow access to your computer's camera and microphone. Click Allow Access and the video call will start shortly. Next, on the iPhone, locate the Messenger app, either through the icons or by searching your device. The app will open to your recent conversations, similar to PC. Like on PC, you can use the search bar to simplify your search. Once you have selected your contact, in the top right corner of your screen, you will see the phone and video icon. Once you select the video icon, the call will start. For Android devices, locate your Messenger app, either through the icons or by searching your device. Once in Messenger, you will see your recent conversations, similar to PC. Like on PC, you can use the search bar to simplify your search. Once you have selected your contact, in the top left of the screen, you will see the phone and video icons. Once you select the video icon, the call will start. We hope that you enjoyed these tutorials and found them useful. It may take some practice and some getting used to, but don't worry, you'll get the hang of it. It is important to just practice as much as you need. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comments below, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks for watching.